Hey, what's going on? I'm here with one of our clients, Joy. Joy, how's it going?
Great. How are you doing?
Doing
I'm doing
fantastic.
fantastic.
Yeah. So, first question that I have for you is how much money have you made directly from working with us?
So I have made, which is incredible, a 37% increase in my store revenue, which is really amazing. So thank you.
Whoa. And how do you feel about that?
It feels great. I mean, I was having like some really down months before we started working together. And, we chatted about it. I was like, well, what am I mean, I used to do newsletters myself, and it's just like very overwhelming to
Mhm.
like put out newsletters and also be the creative
Mhm.
and come up with content. And so when, I hired you guys are so amazing and it's just so easy. And I'm able to kind of relate, okay, what I want to like have as an, like I want to feature this
Mhm.
month and then I send you all the images, you put together the content, and then I approve things, and it's just really easy and it's been very helpful and streamlined.
All right, perfect. And so, my second question to you, and you answered this a little bit, but what were
Yeah.
sort of the main challenges that you were facing before we started working together?
Yeah, so definitely the main challenges were just being consistent with my newsletters. I have a lot of things on my plate as an artist and a business owner. And sometimes I mean, I would always love to get a newsletter out once a week.
Mhm.
And sometimes that would not happen. And I think my audience would just, every time I would spend and do like sporadic emails, I wouldn't get like the best responses.
Mhm. Mhm.
So just working with you guys, I think that my audience is just, they're just used to now getting these really great emails from me. And the format of it, just, it looks beautiful. Your design, the way you design the emails are better than I've ever done. So beforehand, it was like hard for me to design the emails in a beautiful way. And you guys definitely have done that. So it just made everything easier and more um, more beautiful and yeah, it's just great.
All right. Perfect. And last question that I have for you is what would you say to somebody who's sort of sitting on the fence about working with us?
I would just say go for it because I mean there's no reason why I before I was thinking, do I really need a person to do emails or newsletters for me? And I realized that yeah, I did. I needed someone to help me out because, like I said, it was just really hard for me to be consistent. And you guys do such a great job with, your communication. Like every time I would communicate something with you, I'd get a response. Um, and it would just be taken care of. And yeah, it's just like really easy to work with you guys, and like the revenue speaks for itself. So I would just say do it.
All right, perfect. Well, thanks so much for hopping on and yeah, that's it.